Vatican. Pleased to meet you, sir. Good.
Mr. Secretary.
Good to see you.
Good morning.
It was almost a year that was here with you.
1 day, well, no, 10 days off. That was wonderful in many respects. Good morning.
Morning.
Welcome. Yes, I'll do
Well,
that.
it's easier. This is
All
a
right.
baseball guy, but and it has the seal of the State Department. So,
Okay.
what to get someone who has everything? I thought a Christmas.
Olive being, of course, plant of peace. There's this, the coat of arms here of
Beautiful.
pontificate here, but brands. And this is just what we in Chicago call a coffee table palace here, different works of art that
Beautiful.
you can
Yes.
use in the paintings by Raffaello and other classic artists that contain his
See,
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Todo bien.
how are you?
And his channel remains many people, no? This is the king.
Ponerle porque no se me pierda.
Usted ha visto que usted tiene 4 hijos.